Good morning, my dear children. How are you? See here, in today's work, you have to complete English practice book page number 8 and 9, and in book of ABC, in that book, you have to complete page number 9 and 10. So, take out your colors, pencil, eraser, and books. Keep ready. We will be starting our notes in the books. See children, take out your English practice book. From English practice book, open page number 8 and 9 and put today's date here. In two pages, put today's date, and here see, you have to draw the line. Draw the line from left to right, connecting these dots from two objects, from left object to the right object. Suppose here, first object is here, carrot. You have to connect the carrot. This rabbit want to eat the carrot. So we have to take this carrot, joining the dots towards the rabbit slowly like this. You have to connect the dots. Next, like that only, ice cream. The girl wants to eat an ice cream. So this ice cream, by joining the dots, we have to take this, join the dots from left towards the right to the girl side. Like this, slowly have to join the dots like a sleeping line. Again here, next, this nuts for the squirrel. Here squirrel again. So from left object to the right object, you have to connect this page, and next page number 9 also same like this only. Apple piece. So you have to connect the piece to the apple like this. Slowly you have to join the dots. So the kennel, the dog's house, kennel, you have to join to the right object, dog, like that. Pillow to the bed. Like this you have to join these two full pages, these lines you have to join. After completing this book, keep aside and take out book of ABC. This book you open, page number 9 and 10 you have to complete. So put today's date here, and you have to color this D. I have colored it like this. You should also take crayons or color pencils and color the letter D. So D for dog, D for dog. After coloring, you just have to learn, orally you have to learn these words, the words which are coming from D. D for dog, D for drum, D for dice, D for duck. Like this you have to practice. Again children, repeat after me. D for dog, D for dog, D for drum, D for drum, D for dice, D for dice, D for duck, D for duck. Color the letter D and learn the words from the letter D. And then after completing this, page number 10 you open. Page number 10 you open. Here see the heading. Here also you have to keep the date, put the date here, write the date here, and see the heading. Join the letter D to the objects. Use different colored crayons. So you have to join the objects to the letter D. Suppose any color you take. So you have to join, like first object is drum. So this drum already lines are given. On this, with the color, you have to join like this. With I am using an red color. Okay, orange color. So you have to join with different colors. You have to join this object to the D. Take any other color. And then here D. So this D is joined to the object dice. So you have to join this like this. You have to join the object to the letter to the object. Next, this object is duck. So you have to, where you have to join D here. Like this. Or if you are not having crayons, you can use pencil also. With colors, it will be very looking nice. So use different colors D here. So here D is connected to the dog. So you have to connect these lines like this with the color. Any color. You take different colors and join. Last one is door. So door is a straight line, standing line. You can join like this. So you have to complete the page number 10 like this with different colors. You have to join the letter and objects. Okay children, I think you learned the letter D today from book of ABC, the words and the colors. Okay children, see you in next class.